this. It does erase. I'll just like, I don't even have to draw a continuous line. I'll just draw where it approximately should be. Is that too wide?
Too what?
Wide?
You could always go wider. You can't go narrower. Narrower?
Mm-hmm.
Narrower?
I like how that's going to be in the background. That looks good, right? I don't know.
Sure, why not?
Yeah, okay.
Look at that. Stop.
Let me flip now. No, you're good. All right, so let's go start with you. And we'll go in.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Okay. Damn, this thing is fucking
dense.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I try to look everywhere and no one's in here. It's a ghost.
Good.
Can I just take it
For
from
the
the
light?
car?
Yeah, I was thinking in the meantime. Do they want to know?
Huh?
Do they want to know?
We're fine. It's
They're fine.
irrelevant for us now. We need the ability to turn it off. But
All right, you're good. You can. It does have guts.
it does have.
Ah!
When do you want me to start?
Oh, you can. He just ate. I thought he was gonna scoop out the guts from the. Sheesh. Yeah.
It's like cereal.
Gross. Without milk. Here, have some ginger with that. At least halfway. Let's try halfway.
The stick can't ever cover up part of the pumpkin behind
Yeah,
it.
right. Oh, right. So it's on the back end of the
It's on the
stem
back
right
side
now.
of the stem.
Yeah. Jeez, you don't have to. Well, I guess you do have to.
Well, to try to get it to be a nice smooth motion versus.
And like. Go. Watch your fucking fingers, bro. Moist. I like a cut, G. Pretty solid clean. Miss a few hairs and we'll just tuck on the side. Like so. That looks like bourbon, right? As a professional drinker, I approve. This.
Okay. Reset.
Perfect. Okay. Maybe we should break. I was like, it'd be kind of. Okay, bigger. Our camera's all the way back here. Cool.
Powering through frustration.
And that's a wrap. Yay.